I was very, very shy to sit next to Lata ji and take this photograph. I was this grumpy child who would only be close to my mom, my brother, my dad. लोगों को लगता है कि मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म आशिकी है, लेकिन आशिकी थी, लेकिन it's actually तीन पति. It's really awesome to be on the relaunch cover, on its first cover. Okay. Oh wow. क्या फ़ोटो है ये? This is a photograph taken in my house, and as you can see, my dad is in a really, really good mood. My brother is here on the top right. There is me right next to him, always wanting to be next to my brother, always wanting to follow my brother around wherever he is, copying him, copying his dance moves. He's a fabulous dancer. I used to try to copy his moves. I think this is obviously some kind of get together in our house, and as you can see, I am not smiling, and I wouldn't smile a lot as a kid. I was this grumpy child who would only be close to my mom, my brother, my dad, and as you can see, I'm next to my brother and my dad. So I was a very big introvert pro max is what I used to be when I was a kid. And my dad used to, I have these memories of my dad being the life of the party. He is always the life of anywhere he goes. मतलब उनके अंदर एक ऐसी quality है कि when he enters, he just commands the room. And I think that, and with his smile and his jovial personality and his really, really funny way of being. So you can see that in this. This is from one get together at home. Okay, now next one. Okay. This is a photo from my first film, तीन पत्ती. लोगों को लगता है कि मेरी डेब्यू फिल्म आशिकी है, लेकिन आशिकी थी, लेकिन it's actually तीन पत्ती. This is a होता है ना जब when you shoot on set, there are various departments. There's a makeup department or the costume department, or the assistant directors of the film will take some photographs. And this was, I remember, this was a photograph taken, I think, by one of those departments. And they just told me, ki, Shraddha, we need to take the photo of you in this look. So just turn, and I had turned. And I don't look very happy in this photo. I don't look very thrilled. But very, very fond memories. It was my first film, the stepping stone towards just learning about, being an actor. Okay. This is, so the three most important women of my life are my mom and my two Masis. I've grown up with them. I have actually had a very matriarchal upbringing with my nani, with my Masis, with my mom, and actually my Nana Nani used to live in the same society as me. So that was actually more of my home when I was really small. So for me, this photo is very precious. I also have a photo of the three sisters, including my mom, in my room, because I just feel like whenever I see a photograph of my mom and my Masis, it just makes me feel very empowered, and it makes me feel very एक safety वाली feeling आ जाती है whenever I see their photo, and I had put up their photo in my room for this reason, that whenever I look at it, I just feel like I'm surrounded by the most incredible, amazing women in my life. Okay, so this is a photo of me and Lata Mangeshkar ji, who I've fondly called Lata ji, and I remember this moment. I was very, very shy when this picture was taken, and I think this photograph was taken by my mom when and mom told me ki ye bas ani smile kar, because I was not smiling. I was very, very shy to sit next to Lata ji and take this photograph, and somehow I managed to smile, and I was just in awe of her. I would not be able to utter a word in front of her whenever I would see her, and this is a photograph that we took, yes, when I think I was 9 years old. Yeah. Okay, this is vintage screen, which is How nice to see a copy of this. There is Nargis ji. So my memories with screen have been, जब भी घर पे कोई मैगज़ीन आता था या पेपर आता था, it would be kept in the hall. So my brother and I would go and be like कि कौन सा नया issue आया है, and let's see, because we would really want to flip through and see photographs of film stars, and there was just some charm to it, to just sit and flip and see these big film stars. And that was my memory of screen. And while growing up, it has been a part of my life where I would flip through the magazine, and it's really awesome to be on the relaunch cover, on its first cover. The relaunch cover, such an iconic magazine, and a really special moment for me. Thank you so much, Screen, for having me.